Hi, and welcome to the Cooking Cousins Show.
Cousins Cooking Show.
I'm sorry. So, Gabby, can you tell us what we're making today?
Well, we're making lemonade, but there's one thing why Barrett's not here right now. Barrett's not here because he's
out
on
on
location. But Sophia's gonna tell us how to make lemonade.
Italian lemonade, of course. So,
the Italian way.
First what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the lid off the container. And Gabby, can you open that for us?
I really think lemons are going everywhere. Okay.
So, now try and just, let me pour this in. So this is made with lemons grown on Italy's famous trees.
Wait, hold on.
And to make this lemonade, one second,
I'm back with the spoon because we forgot a spoon.
we need to mix it. So you're going to grab a cup.
Any cup is
You're
fine.
going to fill it up with water like this. And you are going to pour it in. Now you're going to do this 3.5 times till the jug is all the way full. Or at least till you think it's full. For us, it's 3.5.
For you guys, it's 3.5. For us, we just a half.
And now we need a half.
Half a cup. Half.
Okay, so.
Now I gotta mix it.
Oh, you mixed it with a tiny spoon?
Are we supposed to?
Let me grab you something better.
Okay. Okay, so while she's up, and she's back. Thank you. Okay.
Now, when we're doing this, it doesn't dissolve as quickly, so you need to press the spoon on the pieces to chop it all up, so it dissolves a little quicker.
That smells
Now,
yummy.
while we're doing that, we're gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon in there.
Oh, more lemon.
Well, that's how we do it.
Okay then.
And if you like a lot of sugar in your lemonade, you can do that, like put a little sugar in it.
But
we're not going to do that because this lemonade's already pretty sugary. So when Gabby's done mixing it up, we're gonna put the lid back on.
Okay, but first we need to taste test it, right?
Taste test that for me, Gabby.
Oh, I am going to. But you know
It's Italian lemonade.
Okay. That's good.
Now we don't put the spoon back in because it already has spit on it. So
me.
we'll just wash it in here. Now we're going to put the lid back on. And voila!
And then you take a cup and pour it in.
This has been the Cousins Cooking Show, sadly, without Barrett.
Whoa, what a day. What did I miss?
You want something to drink?
Oh gosh. Where did you come from?
Bye!